like so sticky. What's in there? Hey guys, it's Maya. Today we're cutting open these awesome stress balls. They're so squishy. Look at this. We got a stress ball, we got Hulk, and then I love this poop, and then an angry smiley face, if that even makes sense. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe. Let's do this. I want to start with the poop. It's my favorite. It's so squishy. Look at that. It's so funny. When you squish it, you can see like something like whitish in there, and then it's like textured. Oh, I wonder what's in here. Let's cut it open. Let's start with the tip of it. What's in here? Ew, this is like so sticky. It's like there's like foam beads in here, and then it's hard to explain, but it's like clay with foam beads. It feels like you could be like in slime. Oh, let's get the rest out. Oh, this feels so weird. Ah! Oh, if you guys could feel it, you'd be like, it feels like cream cheese almost. It feels so weird. Like, it looks like moldy cream cheese. Oh. Let's cut it up some more. What the heck is this? Oh, it seriously feels like cream cheese, but like not edible. This is, okay guys, so this is the slime that was in there. Poke, poke. Yeah, no, it's not a slime. Maybe I'll save this and put it in slime. If you guys want to see what that slime looks like, check out my Instagram. Let's do the next stress ball. Now we have this Isoflex stress ball. It's really thick and like hard to squish, but I love it. Hopefully there's miniature foam beads in there because I want to put it in slime. Let's cut it. Let's start with the bottom. It's like sugar or salt in there. What the heck? This is also just like a balloon. What the heck? This feels like like what they have on like table hockey tables. I love it. This looks so cool. I'm definitely putting this in slime. Oh, I love this, guys. You should totally try cutting one of these open. We got this at Five Below if you want to get one. Let's move on to the next stress ball. Now let's do the Hulk stretch toy. It's so cool because it feels like there's slushy beads for slime in there. You guys must be thinking, she puts everything in slime, but it's just because it looks really cool in slime. Whoa, I feel like this is gonna break. We got this at Target in the $3 section if you guys want to get it. Okay, let's cut him open. Let's cut his head. It's like not, it looks like clear foam beads. This is what Hulk's insides. I'm a mad scientist. Whoa, all the way down to his foot. We're dissecting Hulk for scientific purposes. Maybe these are Orbeez beads. We should put these in water and see if they turn into Orbeez. You should definitely check out our Instagram to see if they turned into Orbeez. This is so cool. I gotta put these in water and see if they're Orbeez. Let's move on to the next one. Now is the angry smiley face. I actually have hope in this one because I feel like it's like not sticking to the balloon or like the whatever it's in. So maybe this is something you can actually like play with. Let's cut it. I want to cut it right down the middle. I think this is something you can actually play with. It's like cloud dough or something. It's like Play-Doh. This feels like styrofoam. That like melted styrofoam. This feels so weird. This is crazy. Let's get the rest out. I had high hopes in this one, and I'm glad I did because this is really good. You guys should definitely get this if you find it. We got it at Party City. Oh, I'm so playing with this and not putting it in slime. I love it, and it sounds like styrofoam too, guys. Hear that? It's like plasticky. Let's move on to our last one. Now I got what I'm most excited for. This Stretch Force police guy. We got him at Walmart and they have a bunch of them. They have like firemen and construction workers and it's really cool. It was $4 and I think it's a really good price. The head is plastic in right here, but everything else stretches and is squishy. He's a fast rising squishy. Woo! This is so stretchy. Whoa, let's cut it. I want to cut his arm. 1, 2. What's in there? Is this corn syrup like we saw on Kawaii Squishies? This looks like slime. Let's get the arm out. Oh, this is so sticky. It feels like a melted hard candy. Oh. ASMR. No, fail. This is so sticky though. It's hard to get out. I'm gonna cut off his head. No. There we go. Whoa, this is so clear. Mommy's gonna love this. But it's so sticky. This seriously feels like corn syrup, but like really stale corn syrup. If that makes any sense. I wanna get it all out. It's like sticky to me. Okay, guys, if you do this, then I'd probably suggest being near a sink, and B, having someone near you in case you need help. So they can help you if it gets all stuck to you. Okay, I'm gonna cut it down his foot. Bye, bye, policeman toy. But we love real policemen. Respect to the police. Ah, it's like melting in my hand. Here you guys go, some corn syrup ASMR. No, this is a fail. Ah! Alright guys, well, this was a success. It's really sticky, but really clear. And I love everything else that we cut open. This was so much fun. We're gonna have to find lots more stuff to cut open. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more fun videos. Comment down below which one of these toys was your favorite. Bye guys, see you next time.
Bye guys, see you next time.
Bye.